Hey, it's great to connect with you. We create the virtual tour that let your guests explore your venue online, just like they were there. Imagine walking through a banquet hall for a wedding or looking at a room for gateway, all from your computer or phone. It is easy to use with the sections like a staycations and the wedding to help people find what they need. So suppose I click on the staycation, 360-degree view of staycation will open, and if we have to move from one room to another, we will just click on the arrow. Can be paused by clicking on the rotation button and turn it on by clicking on the same button again. Each category includes the voiceover like this,
Enjoy the spacious comfort of our king-size bed,
which can be turned on or off. Also, we can change the category from this menu and discover menu. So it has contained the subcategory. When we click on this, so it will redirect to the click category. We have added more info button to give the information about that category. We also include the short videos to show the space in the action. We also provide a contact form for the easy questions and a map to show the locations. So this helps people to get good feel for your venue before they book.